In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archive items on Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows you to manage all your team's work in one place. It's essential for keeping track of tasks and projects, and sometimes you may need to recover items that have been archived accidentally or for organizational purposes. Restoring these items ensures that you have access to all the information you need without any hassle. Let's get started with a simple step-by-step guide. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard and click on your profile icon. The profile icon is typically represented by your photo or initials if you haven't uploaded an image. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu where you can access various account settings and features. It's your gateway to managing many aspects of your Monday.com account, including archived items. Once you've opened the drop-down menu, the next step is to click on the Archive option. This section contains all your previously archived items. It's a bit like the attic of your Monday.com workspace. You might not need to go there every day, but it houses all older items that aren't currently in use. Clicking here will take you to the Archive page, where you can view all items that have been shelved. Now that you're on the Archive page, look for the item you wish to restore. Sometimes this list can be a bit lengthy, depending on how much content your team manages, so you might need to scroll or use the search feature to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've spotted the item, you'll notice three little dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, usually to the far right of the item or board name. Click on these three dots to access more options regarding this item. After clicking on the three dots, a small menu will appear with several options. Here, you will select the Restore option. Clicking Restore is like putting your archived item back on the shelf. It moves the item back to its original location in your workspace, making it active again. This restores the item to the board where it was initially archived or hidden. And there you have it. Your previously archived item is now back in its active location and ready for use. Remember, restoring items is a straightforward process, but it's always a good idea to verify you're restoring the correct item, especially when managing large projects with numerous archived entities. By following these steps, you can ensure that no detail gets lost in the shuffle as you streamline your project management on Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enabling you to restore archived items with ease. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a quick refresher. Until next time, happy project managing.